Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this really pretty sepia makeup look using the Dance of Sepia eyeshadow palette from Flormar, and kind of matched the lip as well. I really love this. It's not too much. This is definitely something I would wear going out because it's all about the liner, quite neutral, cool tones. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see how I create this look, keep on watching. Okay, so starting out with eyeshadow base, I'm going to be using the Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. There you go. I'm going to be using the 5 palettes from Flormar. I love these palettes. I have them in so many shades. This one is called Dance of Sepia. So I'm going to be applying this purpley shade in my crease. And then applying this dark grey on my whole lid. Now using the Flormar Vinyl Waterproof Dip Liner, I'm going to just create a very thin liner to kind of just accentuate and pull my eye out. So I'm going to be pulling this liner just straight outward. Okay, for my brows, I'm going to be doing the soap trick, which is take some setting spray or wet your pure glycerin soap, and then with a spoolie, I'm just going to get a whole lot of product on here till the product becomes really tacky, and then just go through my brows, pressing the brush into my skin so it kind of lifts every single hair and sets it there. Going to be using of my favorite primer from Shop Glow Theory, the J1 Jelly Pack. Quickly applying my Sphinx lashes. This is the style Mauve. I'm using the glue from Kiss, and this is from Clicks. It's basically just a drugstore eyelash brand. So I'm going to be testing out a new foundation. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. I am shade F10. I'm very excited to try this. I love the applicator. How cute is that? Love the applicator, but it's freaking messy. Like, I'm dropping this all over my pants. Look, I can see that this foundation is very cool tone, so I think I'm gonna add some yellow from my Holy Grail Flash Case. Yeah, it's looking like it's gonna be very cool tone. You know what, on camera it doesn't look like that, so I'm just gonna add a very little. This is the Holy Grail Flash Case from Switch Beauty. Everyone knows, if you follow me for a while, that I'm obsessed with this thing. It's just amazing for everything. So I'm just gonna add some yellow. Hope I didn't add too much. Using my Switch Beauty foundation brush. So this foundation looks really good at first. Obviously I need to see how it sits, but I can say that okay, I did add a lot of product. I didn't know it was this full coverage, but the cover is amazing. So while I'm here, I might as well use the concealer of this foundation, and this is shade C6. Look how cute they look together. So cute. Using my Switch Beauty Beauty Blender, it's my favorite beauty blender. Okay, while I have my Holy Grail flash case here, I'm just going to use this one to cream contour. I'm not gonna lie, I really thought that this palette was gonna be way too light for me, but it works. I did want it to be all about the liner, so I wasn't too stressed about it being too light, but I really love what it's doing to my eyes. It's like cool tone, sepia vibes. I'm gonna be adding this dark shades underneath my eye as well. Using my Brighten Up powder from Essence, I'm just going to be using this underneath my eye. And now using this Cheerleaders palette from Benefit. Isn't it the most beautiful thing? I'm gonna use Cookie on my cheek. Oh goodness, I was not expecting that at all. Using Gold Rush for my blush, I'm kind of placing that just underneath my highlight. And then going in with Hoola and just setting my contour. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Essence Lash Princess. This is definitely a favorite. Using this lip pencil by Gerard Cosmetics, you can get this at 27 Pinks. This is shade Underground. Now using Viva Glam 2 from MAC. So I got my wig and my hat on. Got my wig from Aldi Hair Collection as usual. All my hair is from her. That is the full tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, comment down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all.